channel. Today I will be unboxing this beautiful Gucci bag. Here you go. I'm gonna tell you a little story, guys. So I bought this bag a week before Christmas and I left it in my closet, and guess what? I forgot it. I just remember that I had a bag a week ago, really, literally. So I'm gonna be doing the unboxing today. So alright guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome back. My name is Lola and Life as It Is with LQ, and I hope you're gonna subscribe below today after watching this video, and also like and comment. So this is the bag I'm going to be unboxing. It's a Gucci bag. So I got this, like I was saying, I got this a week before Christmas, guys. So we're gonna unbox this today and see what's inside. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let me do some ASMR. Cheese. Smile. Just take pictures, guys. Ouch. Alright guys, are you guys ready to do this unboxing? Drum roll. Let's do this. Okay. First of all, we're gonna take the bowl out. Let's take the bowl out. I am just too extra, guys. And I was just thinking to myself, because when they packed this up, when the cashier guy packed it up for me, I didn't even know what was inside the bag. So what if I get a wrong bag, guys? And it's been like, what, over a month now, and what if it's a wrong bag? So I'm just hoping it's the right one, and if it's a wrong one, let it be an expensive wrong bag, guys. Are you guys ready? I'll do it this way. Let's do it this way. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. I'm funny scared though, but let's see. So you see, it's all taped up. Let's take the tape out. Take out. Let's open it up. Guys, I'm already liking what is inside. Even though I know what's inside. I know what's inside, so let's see. Are you guys ready? Alright, so this is the box. This is all the box comes, like the green. I know they used to have like a white and is it white and black box, but this is the new and improved, I guess. So alright, enough talking, guys. I don't know why I'm so excited to open this. Okay, let's put this aside. No, just gonna throw it on the floor. Okay, I'm taking my time. Are you guys ready? So I made a video before this about me going shopping, and I'll put the link below. It's for people to guess which of the bag that I bought. So drum roll. Guys, this is it. Ah! Oh my god, I think I fell in love again. Alright, let's take this out. I'm so silly. This out. What is this? This out. This right here. This. Guys, just look at this beauty. Just look at this beauty. So this is gonna be like my everyday bag instead of using my other dino sauce. Is that what they call it? So I can use this as my everyday bag now. Let's take this out. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Oh, it has an extra strap. That's true. I forgot all about that. Okay, that's like a shoulder. If you want to put it on your shoulder, you can do that. You can use that. What is this? Just paper? That's just paper, guys. And it has the privacy policy as well. I think this is the authentication card. Discover the authenticity and it's the craftsmanship of your product. So that's that. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is like to authenticate your bag. If you want to resell it, maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's put it back inside. What else? More paper. Maybe if I'll find some money inside. I think that's it. I have my receipt already, so they don't have to put the receipt in the bag. So this is what it looks like, and that's the inside. See, alright, so let's open up the strap. This is what the strap comes in. There's nothing inside. This is what it looks like. Wait. What else? What else is inside? Oh. What is this for? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. See. It's like an adjustable strap. Well, let's see. Put it over here. Did I put it wrong? I think no. That's cute. You can put your stuff, I think it'll fit the phone. It'll fit my earbuds, and you can put a book. This is a book by my friend. I'll also put the link below if you guys want to order. You can put that in. What else? I don't have my phone right now, but you can put a lot of stuff inside. Even with the book and the earbuds, you still have a lot of space, guys. A lot of space. What else do I need to put inside? Put my money. What else? I don't know. What else what do you put in your bag? Put this back. Put that back. It has a little pouch as well on the inside where you can put your money, maybe your card. I think it's cute. I love it. Then you can zip it back up. So now you have two ways to carry this. You can either carry this, you can either take this out and put it inside your bag and just carry this like this. I think when you want to go to like work, like a professional settings, you can also always do like the little handle. But if you want to go out to the mall, to shops, to stores, you can use the strap. I think that's what it's for. That's what I'm gonna do. So you can do it this way as well. Guys, just look at this. Tell me, what do you think? This is beautiful, guys. Alright, let me show you guys how I'm going to use this long strap. I can rest. I have my other bag here. This one. I carry this like literally every day, so I think I can give this a break now. Do you guys like this? Yeah. I can give this a break and just stay with this one. So you're gonna see me carry this bag like every day until I buy a new one. So you're gonna get tired of me, guys. What do you think? Alright guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this bag. Do you like it? I love it. Also, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click that link below. Subscribe for more videos like this. And also don't forget to comment as well. Thank you guys. And this has come to the end of my video. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Bye.